Very good morning to all of you guys. How are you all? All good? Hi,
Yeah, all good.
Anurima. Hi, Neha. Hi, Monica. Hi, Dilip. Hi, Devika. Okay, some few people joined with just one name or like somebody joined with some nicknames. Can you please rename your names to your full name, guys? Okay, a complete name, first name and last name. Somebody
Hey, my
joined
name
with a
is
name.
Savita Mishra.
Okay, hi, Savita. Can
Hi.
you rename your name?
Yes, it's Savita, Savita Mishra.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Pragyan Senapati.
Okay. Hi, Pragya. You guys can rename your name too. Okay. You can rename the names. You can click on your name and rename it. Okay. So, okay. Somebody joined with name Valentine. Okay. May I know your name? Is your name Valentine? Yes. Okay. NS. Someone joined with name NS. May I know who is this? Okay. Monica,
It's
can you?
Nitika. I'll update.
Okay, okay.
With NS, it's Nitika. I'll just update.
Okay. And okay, Lenovo, somebody joined with name. Maybe your device name it is. Can you rename? Okay. Priyansha, first name and last name I'm asking to rename. Okay, whenever you join with your full name, guys, so that we know each other, what we are actually. And it's easy to coordinate, connect, and have details to discuss. Okay, let us get started about testing. Okay, are we good to start? Yes, renaming is done. All of you? Not yet?
Just check if you can see Nitika now.
Okay. Yeah, I think I can see your name. Yes.
Instead of NS.
Yeah, now there is no NS. Yes, Nitika.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. Let's get going. Okay. So the first module that we will be discussing is manual testing. So in the manual testing, how the testing is done, why the testing is needed. We discussed few details about testing. Okay. A quick revise about the topics we discussed. What is the testing or why testing is needed? Okay. Can we get some of answers? Okay, I'll wait for answers. Okay. We just discussed one point yesterday. Okay, testing is the process in which we found out what is working, what is not working. Okay. And testing is needed to know the faults in the system. And with the testing, we will improve the business. Okay. What is testing? It is process. Yes, it's a process. And in this process, we have checkpoints to determine whether the objective is met or no. Okay, we have some answers in the chat. Okay, yes, defects pre-product to make sure requirements are met. Okay, we have very good answers in the chat. Very good. Okay. Yes, good. Okay. So testing is a process, and in this we have checkpoints to determine whether our objective is met. So what is this checkpoint is? This is nothing but a condition. What is condition? A condition is where we check particular condition is met. Like what is exactly it will do. Okay. Let us take one example of application Amazon. Okay. Now you are testing this Amazon application and we all are in a team and we are testing. So as a test engineer, we will start the testing from a very first login, right? Search features, adding the items to cart. Now we are testing about a login. Consider that we are testing about a login. So in this login, the condition is user should be able to log in. Then it is working fine. User should be able to log in. Then we will say it is login is working. You are able to log in as a user. You will say pass or fail. Can we have answers in the chat, guys? Just pass or fail. Can we have answers? You are trying to log in and login is working. Yes. Pass or fail. Okay. Now I'm trying to log in and login is not working. What I'll say, pass or fail. Whenever login is not working, yes, Neha, correct. Yes, fail it is. Yes. So yes, Priyanka, Shweta, correct. So we'll say it is fail. Okay. So the condition is met, then we say pass in the testing. If the condition is not satisfied, like it is not working, then we say it is fail. So these are scenarios that we are testing. Pass and fail. How we will say pass and fail? It's on the objective that we have for a login. The objective is login should work. For a login to work, we have objective. The login should work. If it is not working, then we'll say fail. So testing is a process in which we have checkpoint. So this is the checkpoint. Okay, it was a checkpoint. And for the checkpoint, we have determined whether it is a pass or fail. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now, why testing is needed? Why we have to do the testing? We will elaborate more on this. Why testing is needed. Okay. Why testing actually? Without testing, what can happen? So initially there was no testing. When the testing or development started, that time there was no testing. And some things happened in a way that some people lost life because of no testing. Some applications had lot of issues which are not easy to correct. Then testing became very important and testing is been followed from that time. Now, this testing is benefit or useful. Okay. Why testing? Okay. So my system is little slow. I think, yeah. So why testing? And the testing is needed for the multiple benefits. What will be the multiple benefits of the testing? Can we have some answers? Defect free? Yes, correct. The application will be defect free and a lot of issues will be known already. So we will fix them so that quality improves. Total overall customer satisfaction will improve. Okay, customer will be more happy with the product that we are developing and that we give it to them. Yes, they will be happy, right? That's how. Yeah, correct. Yes, correct. We have very good answers about the defect. Okay. So defect free application. Because that is a part of our job. They hire a tester. Testing is needed. Okay. That can be also true. Yeah. Very true. Yeah, Vikash. It's a job responsibility we have to do. Okay, do not worry much on like what it will do actually, but it's, yeah, the job, we have to do it. You can take it in that way as well. And yes, good answer. Okay. Now, the testing is needed, and the testing is the process in which we have checkpoints to determine whether objective is met or not. Okay. Some more details we will see. Now, if your login is not working, what is going to happen? When we say just fail, will we be okay and then leave it? It's fail? No, right? We have to report it. So when we report it, what is we report? A defect. What is a defect? Now, the question is, what is a defect? Defect is the difference between expected and actual. Defect is difference between expected and actual. So what actually we are expecting login to work? Expected is login is not working. Actually, what we are expecting login to work, but actually on application we are not able to log in. Then that difference is called defect. Now where we report this defect? Jira tool, very common tool that we use for the defect reporting is Jira. Okay. So now can we have some test cases written for the testing? Now, how we are writing login? Login should work. And if it is working, then we say pass. We will write some more cases for Amazon application. Okay. What will be the cases that will come up for Amazon? Okay. Search, for the search, can we write some of search? Can we have in the chat, like what cases you will write similar to login? Logout should work. Search functionality should work, right? As a user, we should be able to add items to cart. Search item should have a description, like you are searching some items or toys or some books. There should be description about it, right? If you are searching for books, okay. And books, what is your favorite book, guys? Okay. Yes, password should be hidden. Okay, payment gateway should be there. So if I'm searching for any of the product, maybe book or a service, or like you are searching for any mobile or a purifier, filter, something like, and you should have a description about it. So can I say item description should be displayed? Yes. Need options for a payment? Yes, correct. We need options for the payments, such as a credit card, debit card, PayPal options. Yeah, credit card options, different, correct. Again, what we need, payment gateway must be working. Okay, correct. Create an account should also work, correct. So as a user, we will first create an account. Then user should be able to create an account with username and password. Item should be categorized. Yes, there should be items in the categories, men's, women's, or like there are so many sections are there, like laptop or gift. Then there are bestsellers. All these options should be displayed. Okay, correct. Item should be categorized correctly. Coupons must be applicable. Ratings should be mentioned. Yes, very good. Can we have some more answers? Everyone should write at least one test case or a one case what you will test for Amazon. I want answers from everyone. At least one you should type in. Everyone. Okay, let us make more interactive. I need participation from everyone. Vaishali, Priya, Priyanksha. Okay. User should be able to place a order successfully. Yes, correct. Savita, Shweta, Usha, Dilip, Devika, Anu, Anurima. Yes. Continue shopping option. Shipping address. Yes. Return policy should be there. Yes, correct, Ram. Very
Add to
good.
cart functionality.
Yes, add to cart functionality. Yep. Yep. Correct. Okay. So if you are searching for some items, like I'm searching for an iPhone, and then it should be available to add to cart. Okay. There are so many different items are available. Like, okay, some are available. Okay. So people will select with different color options. They will add to cart. Descriptions, rating should be available. Then left side, these checkboxes should be available. Yes. The checkboxes that we have for the search filtering, right? We need only, like, suppose some users want the discounted products, only the discount products in that price range. This should be there. Yes, logout option should be there. Yes, payment should be properly processed. Should I look to another e-commerce and compare? Okay, that's on a user point, Vikash. Now, as a user, if I want to compare, yes, I will compare with any website I have. But we are not bothering about a user is searching for product on different website. Our job is, okay, if that user is using Amazon, he should have enough of information. Okay, he should have something like, yeah, description, add to cart functionality should work. Okay, sort option should be there as per the customer budget. There will be models, and yes, refurbished should also be included. Yes, all these options should be there. Yes, correct. Okay, fine. Sort option should be there. Very good, very good. So these are the different scenarios that we will test. Okay. Now, what is scenario? Okay, scenarios. Yes, we have seen these are the scenarios. Then how actually we write it? Scenarios are. So it is actually what we are going to test. A one-liner description about what we test. What we test is we write in test scenarios. Like these are the cases that we are going to test. Good. Okay, we have very good answers. Okay. While paying, need to verify all actual numbers are filled. Yes, there should be proper validation. Yes, for the cards, for the payments. Okay, correct. Okay. Okay. So what is the process of testing we will see? Okay, very good. On a high level, I'll take, okay, not as in bookish words or just that way. So on a just for high level, if I am testing or if you guys are testing, what should be the process a person should follow for the testing? Process of testing in this first step is understand. Yes, understand the requirement. Now here I have taken Amazon application because it's very used, like we have used it once a while at least, so everybody used, so we are taking a example which is easy to understand. Process of testing will start from understanding the requirement, where we have to understand client, what is the need, what is the need of a project, where it is used, who is going to use. Now who is going to use is called end user. End user, what is end user? Who is going to use Amazon application is the end user. Now who is end user of Amazon? Actually, who is, can we have some answers? Okay, customer, like us, people like us, right? Public, can I say public, or like the customers are everyone, anyone? Yes, correct. Anyone can be end user of Amazon. Who needs any item to shop online? Yes, he is a customer. He is the end user. And what might be the end user size for Amazon applications? What might be the size? Millions, or I can say billions of users are using Amazon. People are using. End user is who is actually using the product. Okay. Who is actually using the product is end user. Yes. All internet users possibly correct, because end users are everyone. So we have to understand end user. What is your product? Okay. What is your product? Amazon is online shopping platform. So we should know about what is the product. Okay. Then the next step is we will design the test cases. The scenarios that we discussed, okay, we will test login, we will test search, we will test for a logout, payments, all those things we will create. So we will design a test cases or test scenarios. That will be the next step. In this, what you actually do, you will write cases. Okay, it will include positive. What is positive case? Something is working, like you are able to create a user account with all valid details. That is your positive case. Positive cases with all valid data. Now, if with valid username and valid password, I am trying to log in, then it will be positive case. Now, if you are testing for invalid, like for a invalid password, login should not work. That is called negative testing. Which are again cases which are negative, which are invalid. What is invalid example? Wantedly, we will give invalid password and we will check that login is not working for them. No proper data, correct. Why we give wantedly invalid? Because somebody sometime may give wrong input, and for that, if login is working, then it's not okay, right? Is it okay for us? As a product you are developing, is it okay for you guys? No, right? Is it okay? For an incorrect password, you're allowing user to log in? Not right? Yes, can we have answers, everybody? Please type in yes, no. Manjula, Megha, Pragyan, Poonam, Pooja, Vaishali, Vijay, Vijaya, Shweta, Pooja, Kalpana. Yes. So if somebody is typing invalid password, will that be okay to log in? No, that will be invalid case. If we provide positive data, but still it is not working, then also it is called negative? No. If we give positive case, positive data, and login is not working, then that is fail. It is not working, meaning is it's a fail. Okay. So your positive test case got failed. Okay. Okay, got it? So positive test case is failed when we get some different output. Now, suppose you are testing negative. Now I gave wantedly incorrect password, but login is working. Pass or fail? Pass, Nitika? Like I'll tell you one more time. If for a login to work, we are passing input which is password incorrect. Incorrect password, I'll write. Invalid password, I will input. And your login is working. Is it pass or fail? Now tell me. Nitika? Yes. Yes, now fail it is. Yes, correct. Now you got it, Monica. Yeah. Pragyan, Muskan. Yes. So if I give as a user, because it expected to fail. Yes, correct, Kiran. Kisani, yes. Okay. Okay, good. Now, this positive case is also called as happy path. Why it is called happy path? It should work. Like as a user, when user comes in, he will give valid input and he will go ahead. So that's a happy path, right? So positive cases are also called as happy path. So your happy path should work. Whenever you're testing any project, at least positive cases should be tested and happy path should work, right? What is happy path? All valid scenarios or positive cases are called happy path. Okay. What is negative? Negative is what is failed. Login. Negative is okay. Positive cases are happy path. Correct. So all the invalid cases where input is wrong, that is called negative. Okay. Login, input, invalid password. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Now the test design is done. What will be the next step after we design is done? You have designed, like you have created a document, Excel document or a Word document. You have list of cases, positive, negative cases are there. Okay. And now we are ready for execution. What is execution? Execution is actually testing. Yes.
To implement the testing, whatever we have
Execution.
written down to, like to
Yes.
practice it, like in hand, like to do it
Yes.
practically.
Practically do it. Correct. Now I have written add to cart should work. Now actually I'll go and search some item and then I'll add it to cart. That is my execution. Execution is we actually execute those cases. What are those cases? Positive, negative cases we have, and we will test those. Okay. So execution is performing the testing. The documents that we created, we will execute those test cases. Now we will see the description, add to cart. The test cases are related to make payment, place a order. So we will place order. We will click on all the check boxes, drop downs are working or not. Everything we'll check. Okay. That is all about test execution. Test execution, actually we test this application. Now when we actually execute, we get to know what is actually working, what is not working. So in this, we find out actual results. Okay. What is, just a minute, guys. Okay, just a minute, guys. Okay. Execution. In execution, we find actual results. Okay. What is actual result now? Whenever we test, whatever is we are able to see on the screen is actual result. So we have written expected results in this design cases. Now actually we are expecting some things to work. That is your actual result. Now there should be actual result is login is working. You are able to log in. You are able to log out. Actually all those things we are going to test. Okay. So in this actual results, if it is matching as per the case that we have written, then we'll say pass. What is our test case is? For example, the test case is now, it says add to cart. Now in the add to cart, you are actually able to add to cart. Okay, actual result is able to add the items to add to cart. Then will it be pass or fail now? Yes, quick answers. It's a pass. Like now I'm able to add. So my expected and actually same. We are saying it is pass. Very right. Yes, correct Manjula, Monica. Yes, correct Vijaya. Yes, correct. We are able to add to cart. Now you are searching for some items and you are not able to search. Actually, search results are displayed something wrong. Is it pass or fail? I want answers from everyone for all the questions. Everyone, can you please participate in the questions, guys? So that it gives an understanding how much you understood, whether to go slow, fast. Okay. So that I understand what is you guys are able to understand. Okay. Correct. Very good. Okay. So it is fail, correct? It's going to be fail. Yes. Fail. Add to cart is able to add to cart. That is pass. Fail is not working. Okay. Okay. Search, not able to search. This is the step execution. In this, we get pass and fail. Now, fourth step is we have to analyze the results. Like here, we have to see results. We have to generate a report. For what? Overall, suppose you have 100 test cases that you created in the step 3 or step 2. Now, I created 100. Now, out of 100, some 80 are pass and 20 are fail. I have to generate a report. I have to show this to lead, management, client. Yes. The report needs to be generated. Overall, needs to be shared to all the people, stakeholders. Now, who all are the stakeholders? People who are interested in your test results. Maybe your developers, clients, stakeholders, management, your lead. Everyone will be interested to know what is the result of testing. Yes, very good. So now result of testing will be published. Okay, after this, very good. Yes. Okay. Few people joined now. Okay, they are a little late. So we are learning about process of testing. Okay, actually how we test. How we test, we understand the requirement first. Understanding the requirement is understanding the client, understanding your product, functionalities, what it will have, like login, add to cart, everything we have to understand as a product, what it is. Now we are going to design the cases, positive cases and negative cases, valid, invalid. Okay. Then execute the test cases, which is executing the cases that we designed in a step 2. In execution, we get pass or fail. We get results in the execution. When we actually test, some things will work, some things will not work. Right? It will not be the case like we are testing and everything will work. It never happens. Some or there might be few issues that we will be able to find. Okay. So consider that we have 100 total cases, out of which 100 are 80 are pass and 20 are fail. This fail will be called as defect. Yes, this fail are defects that will be reported to whom? To the developers. Yes, developers, correct. Very true. Yes. To whom we report this? Developers. So that we say that, hey, see that you have developed a login functionality, but I'm not able to log in. This is the issue. Add to cart is sometimes working, sometimes not working. We will report it. We have to report, right? We cannot keep that defects to ourselves. How they will know that? What is the purpose of testing? Results. What is the purpose of testing? To get the results of the testing. And to get the results, we have to publish the results also. Okay. Few things are not working. That needs to be, yes, to find the possible defects. The testing is to find the possible defects. Correct. Now in that we have defects found, and those defects will be reported to the developers. Now they are going to change the code. Okay. It's up to them how they change the code. We are not going to worry about how they change a code. We are just reporting whatever issues we find. We are going to report. What are the general defects that we get? Okay, let me give you some examples of the defects that we get. Sometimes we get defects, some checkboxes are not working. Okay, even if you are checking for some customer reviews, reviews are not available. Okay, maybe some products are not having proper images. Some products do not have the discount details mentioned. Some products are not having some details about the item description. Okay, some more details, ratings are there. Some links are not working. Okay, some payment options are not working for some products. Some brands have some products missing. Okay, might be a number of issues.
Okay, one thing, like,
Yeah.
sorry, this is Neha. Okay, so suppose I want to sell something on Amazon website, and
Okay.
I want to add my product, but the
Okay.
product is not getting added. So then also
Mhm.
it's a defect, right?
Yes. Yeah, correct. Okay. So there is a login for a distributor. Admin login, something is there. Okay. Consider that there is a distributor login and you created account as a distributor or the product owner. You want to sell the products on that platform. Okay. You will create your own account, which is of that type. Customer accounts are different. Admin accounts or distributor accounts are different. So in the testing, we will test both. We will test customer account, we will test distributor account. We will test if there is any admin who is approving some users or some products, that also we have to test. Okay. Now, as a distributor, you are adding some items or you have you have to add and it's not working. Maybe there is a workflow. It is showing you pending. Tomorrow it will be active. Your product is added, but it takes 1 day time for approval and tomorrow it will be added. So we have to wait for that 1 day and then we will test. Yes, correct. We have to test that user, those functionalities as well. Okay. Correct. Did I answer your question? Yes, Neha. Yes. Okay. No. Okay. Good. Got it. Okay. Good. Yes, we have to test those. And if it is not working, yes, it is a defect. If you have a distributor account and items are not added, that is a defect. If you are a distributor and you are not able to upload any item and upload image, upload description, set a offer price, then it is a defect. Okay. How many cases we need to test in one Jira ticket? Okay. So Jira tickets are of different types. Okay, because there is a task, there is a story, there is a defect. For a task, we can create the cases which are n number of cases, whatever is possible, you can create. There is no as such any set of defined rule that you have to have only these many cases in a one task. Okay. Now suppose you are testing search functionality, just a search. Okay. Just a search. In that search, you have task to test a search functionality. Now for a search, how many I'll write test cases? Valid, invalid, we will search. We will search for different brands, different prices, different products, okay, different price range. We will search like some good number of cases around this search. So your task is to test the search functionality. In that, you have to write n number of scenarios which are good, not duplicate. Okay, there is no need of writing duplicate. Repetitively, we will not do the same work. So we need something new and good number of scenarios to test. Did I answer your question, Bikash? Okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. Good. Okay, yes. Very good. Okay. So in the next class, we will create Jira account for everyone. Okay. In that, we will be creating Jira account. You can create defects in the Jira. We will see more on Jira in the next class. Okay. So today is just introductory class. We will see about testing, defect. Okay. Let's the context about what is testing. Any questions till now for the topics that we are discussing? Any questions before we move to the next topic?
Yeah,
Yes.
I had one question regarding Jira. Like
Okay.
even for recording the requirements, we use Jira. We make a user stories task. Is it the same for recording defects?
Yes. Yeah, Jira only we use. Correct.
So it's the same path, or it's like for defects we have a certain different place to do it in Jira.
No, it's the same.
Same thing.
Same.
How do
Yes.
we identify it's a requirement or it's a defect?
There are color combinations and there is a task. Task is specifically mentioned as a task. Story is requirement. Okay, then we have defect.
Okay.
Defect is displayed with a red color, and we will see in the next class more on
Okay,
this. We
okay.
have task, story. In this, story is nothing but a requirement. On a requirement,
Okay.
okay. So
Okay.
for the requirement, we will have a task.
Mhm.
And this is requirement. And for a
Okay.
requirement, we will have a task. Okay, requirement is check the login logout functionality. So you will create a task, test cases for login logout.
Okay.
Then
So the first two things are done like the business analyst, and the defect part is done by the QA, something like that.
yes, correct. Task is
Okay.
not BA will do. You can also create your own task, or manager will create a task and assign to you. Okay.
Can
It's
you give an
complete.
example with the Amazon? Like what can be a task?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Like what we
Do
were
we
doing?
need to write test cases in Excel? Yes, I'll take up your question. Yes. We are using any other application. We use it. Okay. Yes, people use Excel as well. Okay. And people use for test case writing. People, yeah, they use Excel mostly. Okay. The task for a requirement, suppose we are testing a search functionality. The requirement is you have to test the search feature. Now, what is a task? Task is testing this search feature, or you have automation testing for this search feature. What are the tasks? For a developer, what is a task? Development of search feature. For a QA, the task is to test the feature. Okay. Now, as a QA, you have automation task, that is to create automation cases for the search. The defects you will find is in the after testing. In testing or after testing, you will report it. Okay. So automation job is one job, that is a task. Developers will develop, that is developers task. And some more people are involved in the testing, they will create their own task. Okay, they might be understanding it and they are working on it, they are testing it, they are creating cases for that, test cases. So everybody will have a task for a story. Okay, you can add your task details under a task. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Jira is open source or not? Jira comes with free version with just 15 days of trial, and it's a paid. Okay. So after manual testing, we have Selenium testing sessions. Yes, we have. Yes, we are going to learn Selenium testing also in this training, where we will learn installation, writing the code, executing the automation scripts. Okay. It's a website you create, account, no need to install. Ma'am, Jira, how to install? Okay. Yes, Jira is, we have to use it just in the browser. Okay. The accounts we have to create on it. No need to install, correct? Any more questions we have? Good questions?
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hi, yeah, so I just joined the session actually, sorry. I'm in US, I'm based in time zone. Like this training is, I want to know like you people give training to who lives in USA also?
Yes, yes. We have majority of the students, candidates from the USA. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the day one demo session that we are going, like that we are having here. And we are discussing about just the manual testing. Manual testing. After this, we will learn about automation, API testing, databases in this training sessions.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, got it. So I want to know like is there any fee for training or like interview?
Yeah, it's a paid training where you will get the training fees refund after you get the job. This is more, you can reach out to on these numbers, Neha. Okay. And so that you get
Okay, which numbers?
the details are in the chat. Okay.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Okay. And yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Thanks for letting me know.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And Ram, the testing, okay, the training is for 7 weeks. Okay. How
Okay,
can we
okay.
decide which type of testing we are going to do? Okay. There are different types of testing, Muskan. We will learn in next class tomorrow what are the types. So we just started with
Okay.
testing. Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Any more questions? Where can I find the recordings? Okay, recordings will be shared in the LMS, and for LMS access, you have to enroll the training, guys. You have to enroll yourself for the training. You will get all the recordings. You will get all these details, study material, assignments, recordings will be given to you. Okay, syllabus you want to know about what are the topics we are going to learn. So as I shared, the topics are, we will learn in the module 1 manual testing. Then we will learn about Jira practicals. Then we are going to learn about Selenium automation testing. In Selenium, we have 8 modules overall to learn about Selenium basic to advanced concept. Then we are going to learn about API testing and databases. Okay, are you helping placements as well on H1B in Boston? Yes, you can get more details on this number, Ram. Okay, Yes, we provide. What if I am from IT background? Okay, you are from non-IT? Yes, because yeah, we have many students from the non-IT background, and we are providing the trainings and placements and all for the non-IT students. Okay. Yes, syllabus is we entirely cover automation, APIs, and Java and manual testing. All the topics we cover entirely. Is it difficult? No, it will not be difficult at all. As a QA, we have to know core Java. Okay, not many details into that. We will go to very basics, and basic commands we have to run in Selenium. Okay, cost and other details for the trainings you can get from these numbers, guys. You can reach out to this. Okay. Okay. And if you do not get call or anything, you can join the same link tomorrow, guys. I'll be here to help you guys and discuss again on a new topic. Okay. What is job market for a QA? Yes, there is a good market for a QA. You can expect a good career growth as a QA. You can start from the junior QA to senior QA, then a lead QA, then an architect, and a senior position as a QA. So you have a good ladder and good career in the QA.
So, so
Yes.
does it mean India or in US also the QA job market is good?
Yeah, in US as well. I'm talking about US market only. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah. So the job market is really good. You have plenty of job options, and the market is good now. Okay, market will be down maybe in the December Jan time, but now it's very good market. Now you can complete the trainings in just 2 months and get the jobs and start your career. Okay, starting package and everything, you can get those details from the HR guys. Okay, what was the salary we are able to give to the last candidates, other details. HR can give you more details on that. Okay, it is as per the standards. Okay.
Okay. So if we call that number that you provided, we'll get all those details, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. So what are the timings to the numbers? They are in Eastern time zone?
They are in USA time zone.
Yeah, USA, but Eastern time zone or Pacific?
I think yes, EST timings. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So EST,
Okay.
CST timings. Yeah, that are the standard timings. Okay.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Otherwise, you can reach out to them whenever you're free. They will give you a call back whenever they are free. Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Like even if they are in any time zone, that
So
doesn't make much of difference. Yeah.
okay. I have one more question. So I'm from non-IT background. I don't have any experience in QA. What about the job after 2 months of training, the resume and everything? You guys will help? Like,
Yes,
um,
we will help you
yeah.
in making your CV, preparing for
Mm-hmm.
you to interviews, and then we will make you appear for interviews also. We will take care of all your joining process, interview process. So you will get a lot of
Okay.
support from our guys. After you get a job, we have support also. Okay.
Okay. Got it. Got it. Thank you. Thanks for letting me know. Yeah,
Yes.
sure. Thank you. Mhm.
Okay. Hi, Hima and Hima Bindu. Yes, there are good opportunities for Indian people over there. Okay. And the market is very good. May I know few details about you, Hima? Like, are you in India or USA?
Yes, I am in India only, Priya.
Okay. Yes. So we have very good market in India, and you can expect jobs and interviews and all the career growth in India as well. Okay.
Okay.
And there is a high demand of QA jobs nowadays because of the automation testing that is in high in demand skill.
We'll
Okay.
help you out in resumes also. In
Yes, I will help you guys in preparing CV, understanding your CV. We will be creating your CVs and give you and the CVs which will be shortlisted for the interviews. Not
Okay.
only like very basic CV and nobody calls that interviewer, nobody is interested to hire that. We create a professional CV where your CVs will be shortlisted. You will get a call. You will get a complete guidance on what your CV is. I'll be explaining you what is the CV, what details are there in your CV, and what is you have to take up the calls, then how to answer to those questions, how you will answer to HR for particular questions, how you will uh, represent yourself in order to get selected. Okay, we will help you in all those process. Okay, are you helping for placements? Yes, we are helping for placements as well, Ram. Okay, work from home available. Yes, Pratish, like generally it's hybrid, it's available. Okay, may I know your location, Pratish? Where are you actually for USA? Okay. Yes. There are jobs that are work from home jobs. Many of last batch candidates got the jobs which are work from home. Okay. Very few got the jobs which are in hybrid mode. Okay. And yes, the nowadays job market is,
Okay.
yeah, good. Okay. Okay. Yeah, Pratish. So you're talking about India. Yes, in India as well, there are work from home jobs. Yes, many are able to get work from home jobs. Many are able to get hybrid jobs, which are like you weekly 2-3 days you have to go and 2 days you have to work from home. Okay. Any
So
more
if
questions?
there's a hybrid job, how can we manage? Like if we go to off, have to go to office, then there won't be any support, right, to work there.
Um,
Um,
no, there will be support. Okay. The morning timings you can connect, evening timings we can connect. We have to coordinate. And anyway, like
okay,
once you get trainings, you will be able to manage your job. Okay.
I
At
know.
least for
Yeah,
few
I got it.
weeks and few
Yeah, yeah,
days,
I got it.
you will
Uh-huh.
have all enough data to talk about, okay, what is testing you're performing, okay, why it is taking time to complete. So when you know the skills, because of the trainings that you will learn all those things, you will be able to manage your job, even though without a support, or just you take a support in the evening timings for just the complex things. You have something like some code you want to be executed and have some errors or something like that. Otherwise, you will be able to manage your job very well. And I'll be making sure that all process related, all QA related things you learn in this training, so that you're independent. Once you get a job, you have so many things you will be able to handle by your own.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sure. And
And
I want to know this. So, is this consultancy in US also, or only in
yes,
India
yes,
and this?
it's in USA mainly. Okay.
Okay.
And
Thank you.
we have 600 people working in USA, more than that, even
Okay.
actually. Okay.
Okay.
More details on that, HR will be able to give you guys. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Yes. Any more questions? No? Okay. So after a year, graduate, 10 years of gap. Is there not a problem? No, Divya, there is no problem. We have seen many of our students who are having 7-8 years or like 10 years of gap as well after they graduated. Maybe like they were in India and they worked for a few years and then they went to USA because of not having valid visas. They're not working and they have some career gap, and they are starting now after they get work visa. That is common in USA, and that is very common. You will not have any problem to get a job as long as you have a skill set. It doesn't matter much like what is your gap or all those things. Okay. Yeah. Did I answer your question? Yes. Thank you. Any questions, guys? Any more questions? How is the training, guys? Is it slow, fast? Can we have some feedback? Hope you are able to understand whatever we are discussing. Yes, Pratish, very good, excellent. Thank you. Yeah, it's good. Okay, it's good. Yes, we will be training you with a lot of details. As I said, I have around 10 years of experience into QA. Presently, I'm working as a QA architect where I'm leading the team of 10 plus members and where I'm designing, developing the frameworks, maintaining the entire automation framework. Yes, so I'll be covering all the topics with lot of details. You will learn every aspect of a QA job in this training. Okay? Yes. So you will get a very high quality trainings. In my career, I changed 6 to 7 jobs, and all those how I changed. What are the questions that are asked? How I am able to reach to architect level at a 10 years of experience. All those things I'll be discussing with you guys in this training. This training will give you a lot of insights which will never you will get in any other platform. Okay. So that is, this training is a quality training with a real-time experienced trainer. So you will have everything learned very technical to the most accurate format, what in the industry the things are going on. Okay. Thank you guys. Any questions?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I know from which part of India you are?
Okay. So yeah, I'm based out of presently Bangalore. Okay. And I was in USA as well. I worked in different countries as well. I worked in UK and USA for some part of experience. But I prefer most of the things to stay in India because of my family. Okay.
The origin of your state is Bangalore?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Any more questions? No? No questions? Yes, Hanisha, it was interactive. It made, yeah, learning good. Okay, it's good when I get a job. It's best. Yes, because you can have that assurance that you will get a job with us once you enroll. You will get plenty of opportunities coming to your way in this training cum placements program. We are not just the training company, it's a staffing company. The most benefits are when you get a job. So obviously all efforts will be made to give you the jobs. Okay. What is this program? This is, yeah, like not as of like the program name, I mean, this is a staffing company we are representing. So there are trainings and there are like placements are also we will be providing after you get jobs. We will be providing you support and other things as well. The session was quite explained. Good, Neha. Thank you. Good,
Hey,
good.
hi, can you send me the recording session today? Because I missed it. I did not attend.
Yes, yes. You will get it.
Afterward. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Any more questions, guys? The session is good. Don't have a EAD. I came last year to California when EAD will get. Until can I study? Yes, Divya. As I said, yes, you can enroll yourself and get prepared yourself for the jobs. Once you get visa, you are just ready to get into the jobs. So that you will save a lot of time into the preparation so that you learn it really well and you get trained, you can enroll. So enroll yourself for the training and you can get started with the trainings. Okay. Yes, we have a demo session link in the chat. You can see this. It is yesterday's recording. Okay. Okay. Today's recording will also be shared. Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same link. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, guys. Have a great day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pragyan. Okay.